How to fix a yard that floods. If your yard or lawn floods after every rainstorm or even after watering the lawn, it is not graded properly and retains water. Lawns that are flat or have a concave in the middle will retain water, causing the grass to drown from overwatering. The fix for a lawn that floods consistently is to grade the yard, allowing water to run off the lawn into the street after a rain or after watering. Things you will need: sod cutter, wood stakes, rubber mallet, string, line levels, topsoil, wheelbarrow, landscaping rake, 2x4 lumber lawn aerator. Set a sod cutter to cut under your grass, about 1 inch into the topsoil. Run the sod cutter across the yard and roll up the grass as you go. You will be left with just soil in the yard. Roll the cut sod off the lawn until you are finished grading the lawn. Pound wood stakes into the ground next to the exterior of your house with a rubber mallet. Then, pound another set of stakes near the street and parallel to the ones next to the house. Wrap string between the stakes near the house and those next to the street. Use line levels to allow the string to drop 1 foot for every 50 feet. Dump topsoil into a wheelbarrow and spread it across the bare yard with a landscaping rake, making the grade or slope of the soil match the strings. Smooth the newly shoveled topsoil with 2x4 inch lumber, then remove the strings and stakes. Roll your sod back over the newly graded lawn and water it regularly for the next 2 weeks. The water should absorb into the lawn and the excess should run off.